气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。其实我们在聊天的时候，最会讲的东西就是天气。
哦，今天天气好吗？
好不好？对，那现在因为有可能晴天，有可能阴天，有可能雨天，都来教吧。先从晴天开始好了。
好，晴天是就后天。
后天不是后天的意思哦，是好天气。
Okay,
that means good weather day, which is a sunny day. 那我们教一句话好了。今天是个太阳高挂的大晴天。The sun is up high today.
今本日暗後天。
今本日暗後天。
我杯。
我杯。
日頭辣辣。
日頭辣辣。就是日頭日照烈烈的。
日頭很辣。
很辣，很烈的意思了。Okay, that means the suns are shining down. All right, 那教这句好了。Whenever the weather is great, you feel good about doing things, right? 也就是說晴天時辦活動，心情都好起來了。
後天時節。
後天時節。
噴發通。
噴發通。
本人心肝。
本人心肝。
哇哇開。
哇哇開。又是这个
心情很好，
对，然后有叠字在里面，哇哇開，
活起来的感觉。
活起来 Okay, that means I feel alive when it's sunny outside. Very good, and that's exactly how we feel whenever the weather is good. So let's review some of these phrases that might be useful, including the sun, 太陽，
日頭，
日頭 and then an event, 活動，
發通，
發通 and finally, a good day, sunny day, 晴天，
後天，
後天 and there you have it. As we all say, we hope every day is a good day, or in this case, a sunny day, 後天 Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.